Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about the original Refinished Bathtub Mat. This is a no suction cup bath mat for Refinished bathtubs. And we've had this product available for about 4 years now. And for some reason, we've just never made a video on it. But basically, if your tub's been refinished with Ekopel, you can use pretty much any mat you want because it's so thick. But if you use a spray finish, a Rust-Oleum, a Homax, a tub cast, anything like that, the suction cups on a normal mat will tear it off of the tub because it's only really about as thick as a piece of paper. So I just wanted to show you how this works and give you an option. But we have them available at refinishbathproducts.com. But the no suction cup mats, they come rolled up. We have them on Amazon and on our webpage. And basically when you stand on here, it's textured, so it's not going to be slippery at all. And when you stand on it, it's going to put pressure on these upside down suction rings. And that's going to prevent the mat from sliding at all. So it stays right in place, it doesn't move, but it won't leave residue and marks on the bottom of the tub either. So basically, when you stand on it, it pushes these down and that just creates more tread. But it won't eat the finish. It won't, your tub won't peel when you use these. A lot of refinishers recommend us, but if you don't get a built-in non-slip, then this is definitely a great product for you to look into ordering. So like I said, refinishbathproducts.com or find us on Amazon. And this is going to be your best bet when it comes to a bath mat. The other ones are made out of plastic. These are, these are 100% rubber. They are recyclable, and the other ones are just cheap plastic. So check us out. And if you have any questions about the product or any of our other stuff, feel free to send us an email or ask us. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any other questions, like I said, feel free to ask or comment below. Have a great day.